Hey everyone, I'm going to be turning that shed into my own backyard pub. Got a lot of work ahead of me. So what I discovered after noticing a wet spot on the floor, taking this section out, completely drenched underneath, soaked through. So Critter has made a home underneath here and piled up a bunch of wet leaves, and so therefore I need to clean all this out, either replace this section or the whole floor before I can really move forward. So anyway, working with that. Alright, well, I've gotten most of the floor up, and there's definitely like a family of critters living in here for a while, because there's poop everywhere. So I'm doing a lot of taking up and cleaning at the same time, because who wants to step in that, right? This tongue and groove is no joke as far as getting it out of here, but came to the conclusion that this was the thing that needed to be done. So ripping out all the floor, clean this up really good. I'm gonna seal it from the inside out to prevent critters from coming in. Or seal it on the inside and then put some screening on the outside, because I never want to have what I'm seeing here happen once the bar is put in. But anyway, this is, I would say this is probably a two-person job. I'm doing it by myself, not too smart, but I'm doing what I can. Anyway. Okay, so the floor is now installed. Everything's tied or screwed down. Very solid. And today, we're installing that door right there. So, this will be interesting. I got some help coming in. Get this sucker done. So phase two, for the most part, is done. We got the door installed. We have some finishing work to do, like door handle, and gotta seal that up. But thanks to my neighbors, I was able to get that sucker put in. There's no way in the world I could have done it by myself. So I'm glad my neighbors like me. So there it is. So there's a lot more to happen with this before the bar is done, but got part of it done. Well, we are wrapping this episode up of Dan's Backyard Bar. We got a little bit of electricity installed, but as you can see, there's still a lot of work yet to be done. Take a walk out here. The door is nice and solid and installed, and the patio, for the most part, is finished. So anyway, we hope you enjoyed watching this. I have not done all this on my own. Thanks to some of my neighbors that have helped out. I'm greatly appreciative, and I'm pretty sure they plan on hanging out here after everything's all put together. Anyway, subscribe to our channel. Follow along on this adventure, because there's still, a lot left to do. We'll see you next time.